Okay, in this time, let me talk about function pointer. Okay, so I know that you are familiar with this kind of variable pointer. We can use pointer to point to function. Okay, so let's define a function, like draw circle, maybe. So let's assume that we have a drawing function, and draw circle, and we also have draw box. Example, draw box. So what you do in general is call draw circle function if we want to draw circle, right? And you may call draw box function, well, if you want to draw box. Well, what I'm going to teach right now is using pointer doing any of this one. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is defining a function pointer variable. Okay, so what we are going to use has void return value and void parameters. So type void and pointer star and function pointer and void. Okay. So this is not a keyword in C++. You may type something like this. Oh, not semicolons. Okay. So you may use a variable name with like this one. Anything, any word, well, you like. But okay. So you got it. Okay. So let's go back to function ptr. And well, you remember that I like to initialize pointer as null ptr. You got it? So as we did for pointer variable, I like to initialize function pointer null ptr as null ptr. So this doesn't look like a variable, I know, but this is a variable. Okay, it's weird, but it's going to work. So function pointer is a variable, and you can assign the address of this function to this function pointer variable. Okay, and you need an address, so add this one. Okay. So you can print the address of this function pointer as you did for variable pointer. Okay, and you can execute this function pointer like this, or like this. Okay, let's compile and try. So this is the address of this pointer variable. I told you this is a variable. Even if it doesn't look like a variable, as you have seen like this. Well, so this is a variable. Okay, so and you can call this function, you can execute this function through this pointer function, pointer variable. So this is the address, this one. This is it's just an address because it's a pointer. Draw circle, this one. Draw circle, this one. This is very important. Well, if you want to understand the fundamental of polymorphism or inheritance. Okay. Okay, so the next thing is more important. This one is variable. This one is a variable, so you can assign different function. Draw box, maybe we have draw box function, right? So in this case, we can print this address like this, and we can execute one more time, as we did for in the same way we did for we did here. So we are repeating. We are just repeating. The only difference is that we assigned different function address to this function pointer. So let's try one more time. Okay, so the same pointer variable but different function operation. Different function was executed. So you can replace function call with executing function pointer.